Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windows app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down here, you come here to Isolines here of pressure here, you just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean Isolines here, it's in the blue with us now, like you see here on the map. So that's all you have to do now. I wish now you I get it. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you on your Windows app. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.